Can you say hi, Nana and Pops?
Hi, Nana, Pops.
Say, how's Bhutan?
Hi, Bhutan.
Say, I miss you.
Miss you.
Wait, we can't look at it until we make it.
I miss you.
Say, what's new?
New.
Did you tell them that you've been in school?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. What else?
No, that's true.
Did Lily and James come over with puppies last night?
Okay. Puppies.
Yeah, are the puppies cute?
Pig.
Did Susie leave her bone here?
Thank you.
Okay, say bye-bye, I love you.
Bye, bye-bye. I
And say, I miss you.
miss you.
And say bye-bye, Nana and Pops.
Nana.
Ow! All right, bye-bye. Love you guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.